So we're going to stick with the theme today of seller squeeze pages in Lofty to get seller leads. So again, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please, I know you hear it all the time, but please do so you can follow the channel and support us. So again, we're going to be in your Lofty on marketing, bottom left under tools, landing pages. And then at the top, add a new landing page. And we just did the seller on the last video. We did the what's your home worth seller squeeze. We'll do featured area next time. We're going to go over here to new seller form, new seller form. And then once you click on this one, it's going to open up, and I'm going to call it seller squeeze 3 or seller leads 3, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to save it. And once I save it, as usual, it opens up and it has your rough outline page. Now the picture is blurry. Don't worry about that. And I can't hit publish yet, of course. So I'm going to click on these 4 dots. Once I click on the 4 dots, it lets me publish if I want to. But this first thing I want to do, go to settings and set up my page tracking, your Google Analytics and your Facebook pixel. If you go to SEO, and again, we went here last video and we grabbed this from ChatGPT. Give me the best keywords for home sellers, top 5, where they are. And then I put them in a list separated by a comma. And then right here, boom, ready to go. So then again, I'm going to just go to keyword relevance, drop it in, and then I'm going to get analysis. Oh, again, I had a little bit extra. I got to get rid of that last one. And there it is, ready to go. Now I'm ready to publish this page. Now you remember the last video, it showed a house and it had a big address bar. And then it said, go ahead and get your value. This one's a little different. As you can see, this one, it gives you sell faster, save money, get your home value. This one's trying to hit people's pain points a little more. And then it's keeping it more simple. Home address, name, email, phone. And no, it doesn't make you require their full name, just their address, email, and phone. Because if you have their address, you can easily go to the county appraisal district of your area, and then you can pull up their name, no problem, and know who they are. So it's not worrying about that. You can do a little skip tracing. And then if everything looks good, I'm going to publish it as usual and go to Social Studios. And then the same thing, once it goes to Social Studios, see, perfect. This one is saying I've reached my daily limit. So I don't care. I'm just going to copy that link. I don't have to deal with all this AI stuff. So I copy that link. I go ahead and grab my Facebook. I'm going to say here under my name. And then I'm going to say like what's on my mind and paste it in there. As usual, you paste the link. It gives you a preview. This one's kind of groovy. I don't know why it's a commercial building, but it is. And then once you put your preview and it gives you a preview, Control A for a PC, Command A for an Apple, and then you delete it, or a Mac, and then you get rid of that. And then you would say, are you looking to find out a true value of your home? Click below to find out your true value. And then once you post it, as we mentioned before, after you post, you always like or love it. I like to love it. And then say something like, to get your value, you can reach out to me at, and then I would give my website as well, or my phone number, whatever I wanted to do. And then that way, and then I would click share and share it to 8 to 10 groups. Again, you share only once a day to 8 to 10 groups. Let me get rid of this one. I don't need someone else's stuff on my page going through. And then that's that easy to go through and share it. And then you can take this link, you can put it all over social media. You can also turn it to a QR code like we showed you last time. If I go to QR Monkey and open this up, I can just delete this your URL and put that one in there. And then I can create this QR code. This way, if you wanted to put this on your business card, your social media, anything like that you wanted to put this QR code on, you would have that opportunity then to go through and build this QR code and put it on anywhere you want. That's a very simple way. The video we did before this one in the series for Lofty, you can see we talk a lot more about where to put it, how to make signs. Feel free to go through and watch that video again. Now you have your QR code. Again, when you hit download PNG, you don't have to sign up. You don't delete. You just wait, and it's going to let you drop it into your download folder or wherever you want it to go. See, it'll load up. Nope. I think I clicked on something I wasn't supposed to. So then it doesn't usually have that thing. If you don't click on it on accident like I do, it'll open that box. and then you're good to go. Hopefully that'll let you be able to put some QR codes, get some stuff out here. As you can see, this is what we did last time, what's your home worth. And then you can go through and get some great leads by putting this link everywhere. And then we're going to get into Social Studios, another video of how do you do it. Go get some listings, get some leads. Good luck and success.